You want to install Kali Linux on your Mac? So this video is for you. Let's dive in. At the first, you have to open your Firefox and then type UTM. So click the first link, press the download button. And here it will download because I have downloaded before. I'll close it. And now download the Kali for Mac, Kali Linux for Mac. Yes. Open the second link, not at first. Second link, yes. And then scroll down. I recommend this version. Download it. And also I downloaded it before. I'll cancel it. Okay, now open the UTM virtual machine. So in here, create new virtual machine. First one for Kali. And now browse. Select the Kali Linux. Go on your download folder. So in here, find the Kali. Continue. So by default, the memory is yes CPU 4 and change the size at 30 and select a share folder. I select desktop. Open. Continue. And if you want, rename it to the Kali Linux. Save. So now play it. Now, second graphical install is so difficult to download. Your computer should be so powerful, almost 16 gigabits memory. Yeah. Select your language, English, United States, American English. So it will take a few minutes. And also you can full screen it. I prefer a mini screen. Don't worry, it will install. Hostname Kali. Continue. Domain name also Collie. Now username also Collie. Enter. And now create a password. Re-enter your password. So at first, enter. The installation will take almost 20 minutes. First button and also enter. Enter it first. Now finish and press the yes in here. You can read the what it says. Press the yes. Here it will install. It will take a few minutes. So the installation is finished. Now close the Color Linux. Okay, and scroll down. Select the clear and reopen it. Now turn on the Color Linux. It installs perfectly. Enter your username. For me, it was calling and your password. Login because it's the first time It will take a few minutes to open. So now you can do anything in your calling machine. For example, go on your terminal to the update to update your system, enter your password, and then so the app upgrade for upgrading your system. Press Y to continue. Now you see everything is working perfectly. Now you can do anything like doing the Z feature and